Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, karibu sana. Niaje wadau. On this episode, we're gonna make some awesome egg cups. I'll show you a very simple method. It's a low carb breakfast that comes together in just 30 minutes, guys. So yeah, let's get to it. So guys, these crispy egg cups are the best breakfast on the go, and they are very healthy. If you're thinking about losing weight, I told you guys 2021 is where I give you the healthy recipes, guys. So when you bake your eggs, believe it, you're gonna like reduce those calories because you don't have to cook it on oil frying it. So a best method you just need to do is you just bake your egg, and then to top it up you have ham. So for our ingredients, we'll need you can have as many slices of ham as you want. You can have your eggs as many as you want depending on the people. You'll have salt and black pepper just to season, and then that's it, guys. So easy. So these guys are simple, delicious, and absolutely nutritious. So let's get to it. First of all, we'll grease our muffin tin, and then we'll crack our egg, and then we'll just spice it up. They are a major hit. They taste amazing. The eggs bake up so nice and fluffy. The ham gets just a little crispy around the edges. Guys, they are amazing. You just bake for 20 minutes or 15 minutes if you want your yolk not to be so done, but bake around 20 minutes if you want your yolk to be set. So guys, I can't wait for this one. So let's get to baking. I will preheat our oven at 205 degrees. Yeah, and since we are cooking for around 15 minutes, so we set it at 20 as we prepare for like 3 minutes. So as we have greased our muffin tins, what we'll do is we'll line each cup with a slice of ham, and then we just put it at the center. You gently press down at the center, gently, you don't break it. And then you take another one. So you press down at the center. These egg cups are super easy for those slow, lazy weekend mornings. Guys, the results are super beautiful. This little bundle of joy, they bring meaning to a good morning, guys. So yeah, crack an egg into each ham cup. Easy. And then you just season with the pepper and some salt. Just a bit. So guys, they are ready to be put in the oven for the remaining 13 minutes. They are just so so delicious. Your crispy egg cups, ham egg cups are cooking. Remember guys, you can have toast on the side. In my previous episode, you can go through my sandwiches episode. You'll see how I teach you guys how to make toasted bread. You just heat your pan, you just put butter on top, and then you just heat it up. You can make that butterly toast and put on a pot of tea, and your breakfast is done. Simple, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. Make them for morning on the go. It's an easy weekend breakfast. So guys, the results are super beautiful. So crack that egg and bake it up. So guys, our toasted bread is ready. So what you do with your ham egg cups, you can actually fill in with cheese, peppers, olive, and then you can serve with fresh fruit, or you can have that toast on the side, and you can have a pot of tea, then your breakfast is done. Guys, these guys are super delicious. I love this for my family. Super easy as always. Are you ready to taste mommy's food?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? So I have my little taster over here today who's gonna taste mommy's food. Are you ready?
Yes.
10 minutes. Oh wow. Look at this guy. They're so crispy and so fluffy. Oh my god, look at the edges. I love it when it's so crispy. I love it. So guys, here we are, our toast, our egg, ham cup, some grilled tomato, really nice. Look at this guys. If you have that family friends over, do this, they will enjoy it. Are you ready, baby? Are you ready with eating their finger? No. Are you ready? Look at this. Oh. Pick one and taste and tell me how it tastes.
Hey.
Oh, so sweet. You love it? And yummy? What do you say? What do you say? Tell them, make sure you subscribe. Tell them. Tell my viewers to subscribe. It's so sweet. You just want to eat. I can't wait to have a taste too. So crispy. Look at this guy. It's super delicious. I love it guys. So guys, make this yet. Try it out. Try this one. Let me know how it went in the comments. You can remember you can use cheese. It is an option, but I normally opt out of cheese. Look at this one. You enjoying it? You love it? So yummy. He loves it. Your kids will love it. Your friends will love it. Please subscribe if not subscribed. Share the video, like, comment. I really appreciate it guys. It was an amazing time making these ham egg cups. They're so crispy. And that's it from us guys. So bye. Say bye baby.
Bye.